Okay, I have found my TNT workout top. If you want to hear all about it and what I'm loving, then please stay tuned. All right, happy hump day Wednesday, everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Again, welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you in fact are new, don't forget to thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you do not miss an upload. You guys, so I'm jumping in. I still got it on. I've had my workout in. Yeah, I need to wash it, all that good stuff. But I just could not wait. I was like, I have got to go back in and do this review like right away, because this is fresh and I am so super excited. All right. So you all know that I am working on my activewear items. If you saw my activewear plans video, or if you didn't, I'll leave the link up here in the iCard. So make sure you go check that out. You kind of see the different things I plan to work on. And as I continue to kind of pack up and declutter the sewing space, I'm focused on just a few several different projects that I'll be focusing on while still in this space. So let's get into it. One thing I do want to mention, for those who saw the workout pants video that I already made last week, it was the green style patterns, the flare leggings, and so this is the top I made to go with it. So go check out that video if you missed that video. And also, I want to say, I mentioned this at the end of my last video, but I'm going to mention this early on. For those who have been following my journey, you know I was over 300 pounds and have been continuing to shed the weight. One thing I want to start out this video is, in my opinion, this is all my opinion, you guys, keep sewing. I don't care what size you are. I know it's a mind thing for many, and that's fine. But if you enjoy sewing, in making all of your clothes, workout clothes, all of that different type of stuff, just do it. I don't care if you still have 20 pounds to lose. I don't care if you gain 15 pounds. Make the thing twice, 3 times, 4 times. I don't care. Just keep sewing. Keep sewing, you guys. I want to encourage you. And again, I know some of this is mind. It's a mind thing for some. So that might require, you know, something else, therapy or whatever the case may be. And that is totally fine. But here I want to say, get out of your own way. If you enjoy sewing, sew the doggone pants, sew the doggone top, sew the doggone dress. And if you lose 10 pounds, gain 10, 15 pounds or something like that, and the garment is not fitting you the way you originally made it, make it again. It is okay. It is okay. But for those of you who are on the weight loss journey as well, just keep sewing. You guys, stop missing opportunities to just continue to enjoy this craft, to enjoy sewing, to enjoy creating, because you put on a few pounds or you lost a few pounds and you're about 5 pounds away and you don't want to make it until you 5 pounds. I mean, to each his own, to each his own. But I am going to encourage you from this space, so NaturalDane, sew for the body you are in, and just keep at it. Keep at it. Enough of that soapbox. All right, MadeIt patterns. You guys, I still have it on and I'm so sweaty. I need to take this off and go take my bath. But I said I had to come in and do this video because it's just too fresh. It's too fresh. So I'm gonna have pictures in the video. I didn't do a video of me working out in it because actually the day I'm recording this, I actually got out a little bit later than I intended to for exercising, and yeah, I didn't have time to be setting up the camera showing me running back and forth and everything, because I was trying to get in and out this heat. Y'all, it's hot. We still in this 100 index down here in Texas. So yeah, I ain't had time for all that. But this is MadeIt Patterns, the Rest Vest. And you, if you saw my plans video, I talked about this. I picked up this pattern. This is a Black-owned pattern company. And I picked up this pattern because there were several entries in the BHM Pattern Designers Challenge, which I run and host every year. A link will be down below. The 5-year anniversary for that challenge is coming up in 2023, February. So I will be hosting an in-person event. If you are interested, make sure you fill out that form down below. I'll leave a link. But for those who are on the list, you know that there is a fun update coming up soon towards the end of this month. So if you want to know all about that and some very specific information, make sure you fill out that form. But anyway, several people had done the Rest Vest, and so I was like, oh, I want to do that. That looks really nice. And so you guys, point blank, period, end of story, this is my TNT. This is it. I'm done. Not literally, but it's like, this is one I'm gonna be making tons of. I absolutely love this top, hands down. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. This is the version. There is a fitted version, and then there's the relaxed fit version. I did the relaxed fit to give more, you all know I always talk about the tummy area for me. I need room around there. I don't like fitted workout clothes because I sweat, and so I don't have time to feeling like, you know, the workout clothes is another layer of skin on me, that type thing. But let me just tell you about this this pattern. I absolutely love it. Very minimal pieces. You have 5 pieces. The front is this, cut on the fold. The back is cut on the fold. Then you have the armbands. The front, well, you have a front armband piece, then you have a back armband piece, and then you have the neckband here. And so very minimal pieces, and perfect for doing some fun color blocking and everything like that. There are, I will say, in the beginning of the pattern, it has these suggestions for bras, different types of bras to wear, so the straps of the bra is not seen for this style of top. For me, I didn't pay attention to that because, quite frankly, you all know, I've said this before, I'm not one for needing to look cute when I'm working out, because I'm trying to get these gains. If I'm looking ugly and sweating and making grunts and all that, I don't care. the outfit I'm working out in. So for me, I didn't pay attention to that. If you are maybe more conscious about if the bra strap, your sports bra strap is showing or whatever for the type of workout top you're wearing, then you might want to pay attention to that. I didn't care, so I didn't focus on that. It wasn't a thing for me. The sports bra I'm actually wearing is also made. It's the Christina sports bra by Porcelain Patterns. I did a review on this 4 or 5 years ago, maybe. I'll leave a link to that up above. So that's the sports bra I have on. I actually have plans to make more sports bras as part of my whole activewear sizing. Now, the sizing, I would not say is terribly size inclusive at all. And so it starts at a size 6 and goes up to a size 20. I did cut the largest size, but let me just tell you the measurements. So size 6 starts at a 31-inch chest, and it goes up to a size 20, which is a 44-inch chest. But then your finished garment measurements, it's negative. It says it's a negative ease for the finished garment measurements, but I don't know how true that is, because the 44-inch is supposed to be, when it's finished, supposed to be 43.5 inches, and my full bust is about 44 right now, 45, 44. I think I need to update my measurements, but anyway, and my waist is 38 and hip is 47. So in the hip for this, for the size 20, goes up to a size 47, and it's and so But yeah, so I'm thinking there's just a little bit, not much extra ease in here. You only sew this at 3/8 inch seam allowance, so you really can have at it on your serger and just go ahead and sew it up. There was a note in here. There was 2 ways you could finish the neckline. So let me just show you. There was 2 ways to finish the neckline. The way I finished it, which you fold the neckline piece in half and then you just serge it on. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, that's what I did. That's the easy way. It's labeled in the pattern, the easy way to finish the neckline. And then the other way was the more professional way to finish it. This is fine for me. And when you finish the other way, it's almost like you're attaching it the same way you do the binding around. You attach more like a binding like you do for the sleeves. And so, yeah, this was good enough for me. But you all know, and like I said, I still have on my workout clothes. So let me just show you. Here were the workout pants from last week, the flare leggings. And remember, the pocket I put on the front was this fabric. Both of these fabrics came from Amazon. I'll link it down below. But anyway, so my pocket is in this fabric. And so I wanted the front to be, because the back piece extends to the front. So let me back up a little bit so you can see. Hopefully you can see that. And then the top, hopefully you can see the top extends to the back just a little bit up at the shoulders. I really hope you can see that. And then so the back extends this way, so it looks color block, gives you that color block feel. And because the armbands, you can do a different color here for the armbands. Like I could have done the navy blue here, but I just did the same color as the front piece. But then my neckband, I did the navy blue because the rest is navy blue, and it is so super cute. And like I said, you can see the back, the front extends to the back piece. And so this is so super cute. Now I know people say, oh, you know, I've heard people mention that, you know, they get extra gains and extra workout in when they looking cute. Let me just tell you, did I feel like I gave an extra push and extra in my workout because I was looking cute? No, but that doesn't motivate me. So again, I'm just being honest. Cute workout clothes don't motivate me. I know it does a lot of people. So I say make all the cute workout clothes if that's what's going to get you to getting your workout in. But for me, it's just cute. I like the way it looks. It's cute, no doubt about it. We're not going to say it's not cute. And I serged the whole thing, the hem, everything is serged. I did want to show the binding on the inside because the binding, the way it's attached on the inside is so cute. But I'll take it off in a moment and show it to you. But you guys, this is it. This is, in warm weather, this is the type of workout top I want to work out in. And I love the fit around my tummy because the relaxed fit is down here. It's not snug. And I love this so much. I love this so much. And so I don't have, and let me tell you, it took under an hour to put together. I'll hopefully have popped up pictures and everything by now. There was nothing else in here. The instructions were easy to follow. She has really good pictures in here, and where you can see the right, wrong side, and you understand what she is saying when she is putting the top together. But I absolutely love this. Is it. So I'm glad, again, like with the flare leggings, initially I was planning to just batch cut a bunch of things out because I thought the instructions were fine and easy. But I wanted to, again, to see, okay, let me just put this together, see what I like about it, if I need to make any changes. And for this size 20, absolutely no changes needed. It fits beautifully. It wore beautifully when I was working out and jogging and everything like that. and I absolutely love this. So let me take it off real quick because I want to show you the inside binding quickly, and then that'll be a wrap. Okay guys, I have on my sports bra, so yeah, we good over here. Sitting in my sports bra. But anyway, so when you are connecting the back, and sorry, this is very like sweaty, I need to put this in the wash, but when you're putting the binding around the arms, and it goes, let's see here, it goes around the back. As you can tell, when you attach the front, this is the front and this is the back. When you attach, that binding do cover up that seam back there as well. And so I thought it's just cute. And again, sorry y'all, just needs to go in the wash. But I absolutely love this. Love this. Love the fit. Love how it looks. Okay, I just slipped it back on, but I absolutely love this fit. Again, I made a size 20. The fabric is from Amazon. I'll link it down below. Instructions super easy to follow. And what I'm loving, because I have, is that wicking? I don't even remember. I have some orange, some bright, yeah, it is. Some bright orange. And there's some orange, I don't know if you can tell in this. I'm going to make, I'm just going to batch cut a bunch of these out and try to use up all of my fabric. I have enough of this probably to do another top. And I think the side is going to be an orange because I want to bring out the orange in this color. But yeah, this is easy for me. For warmer weather, this is the type of workout top I absolutely love, and I highly suggest making this rest vest. And again, you have the option between fitted and relaxed. I did relax just because I like the room, the extra room. So I will leave a link to the pattern down below, and yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down in the comment section below. But thank you all so much for tuning in today. Stay tuned for Sunday. That should be a special video. But yes, stay tuned for Sunday's video. Again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video on your way out. And yeah, y'all make them workout clothes. Make the clothes for the body you are in, and enjoy yourself along the journey. All right, everybody, you all have a blessed rest of your week, and we will see you on Sunday. Bye.